Hello everyone. So this project is for Computer Science 1334, the animation project. And here we have my final project from Khan Academy, where my koala animal right here is waving and moving his eyes and feet together. And it's all being worked by this entire code right here. So first we'll start with my variables. So on top right here we have my claimed variables for the koala, his hand angle, his hand state, his wave right here. It's how we get it moving on. And then here we are is where the waving really starts, right here. So I had to draw out his hand, and then I had to rotate it to make sure he was waving appropriately. And here we have his hopping eyes. This is how he gets all excited. This is where the variable for his eyes are. And right here are the shapes of his feet, right here. And then we go to the rest of his body parts right here. This is where he has all of the rest of his fluffiness. And then we get right down to the animation part, the programming, where we want him to get him to wave down. So I want him to wave down, and the speed has to go down, which is why there's a minus sign on the hand angle. So if the hand is less, if the delta 2 is less than the hand angle, then it moves down. But if the delta 2 wave is equal to the hand angle, it moves down, but with plus, but up. And then we go up here with the wave up. And this is the entire code for this one. It's like the exact opposite of this one, pretty much. And then here we have the animation part. Here is the background. And then we have his stop motion, and then his hand up and waving down. And then we've got his hopping eyes right here, the animation of how he's hopping up and down, where his feet, if it's less than 100, then it's gonna move up. If it's more than 90, his feet is more than 90, the Y part, which is going up and down, if it's more than 90, it'll go up, it will go down. This is his speed of how fast he goes right here. And then here's his feet. And it's pretty much the same thing as his hopping eyes, only it's different variables. And this time, if it's less than 133 and more than 107, it'll go up, down, and then here's a text right here saying greetings from Tim the koala. So we got that done right here. So here's the next issue that we have. It was time to move it to Codio, and I had some issues. I changed the push matrix and the pop matrix, of course, but I didn't understand what was going on with the rotate when I was reading the instructions. We got all of it over here, the same thing, everything works, only Codio doesn't take the circle rect, so I had to remove the extra number on rectangle, and I changed his belly from a rect to an ellipse right here. So I guess nothing really popped up no matter how many times I refreshed. I did change the HTML code, if I can find that in here somewhere. Yep, it should be this thing right here. Right there. Tim the koala wants to greet you, and it says it right here on top, so I guess that one works. But the code doesn't really work on here. I got a little confused, but I guess that's it. So this is my final project. Cool. Bye.